how to earn $10,000 in a month consistently from ideasforasideHustle.com. How to earn $10,000 a month is a significant question. Of course, the milestone that many strive to achieve, whether you're looking to boost your income, save for a considerable expense, or transition to a new way of remote working, or just working in general, maybe like a side hustle that you only do about 5 to 10 hours a week. Reaching this financial target requires a strategy and dedication, and we're going to show you how with this video here. One of them is called Cryptex. Now, this is a DeFi staking platform online on the blockchain with cryptocurrency. You want to click on the link in the description below to check that out. But we go into detail with an alternative video that helps you to understand how you can earn from what we call the merchant fees of cryptocurrency. It's just like a credit card. Whenever they charge you a merchant fee for a transaction, well, you're capable with this platform to earn a percentage of all of those transactions that are going on within the blockchain itself, especially with this company's control. Okay, so Kingdom Freedom Academy is another platform that offers you the ability to use free marketing tools via Facebook. And I believe Facebook has at least 1.5 to 2.5 billion users per day. And you use this marketing tool to promote any marketing service that you can think of, any product, any coaching service that you could think of. You use the Facebook Messenger platform in automation. It's like AI, and you get it pre-set up, and it helps you to automate this process. Just imagine getting 30 or 40 different leads and people interested in what you're offering daily from the Facebook messaging platform. Well, that's what Kingdom Freedom Academy offers, okay? And then we have a platform called JobUp.info. Now, JobUp.info is actually a digital asset that provides traffic and training on understanding how to promote your products and services via their traffic packages, and also understanding how to use email to your best ability. Now, it is requiring a one-time small purchase, but it is a lifetime digital asset. That means that it doesn't go away. You will be able to use it for life, and you can also earn commissions for life off of that one-time purchase. And it's not a very big purchase at all, okay? Click on the link in the description below to find out about JobUp, okay? You get immediate payments with JobUp. That means that once you make a sale, they will send you a check in the mail, or they will pay you via PayPal immediately. You also get bonus commissions, because whenever somebody signs up under you and you get that bonus check, that first commission check, or that commission check on a daily basis, those people start promoting and doing the same thing. You get a secondary bonus on every sale that they make. Okay, so it really makes it for a very lucrative business online, and it's very simple, and you don't have to put much together to get it started. Affiliate Marketing Secrets is a platform that really helps you to understand how to put together the entire affiliate marketing process. Okay, most people are just lost with that. I was as well. Choosing the right affiliate program is very crucial. You don't want to be promoting products and or services that other people produce that really aren't up to par of what you want your branding and status to be online, because it can actually hinder you and hinder your business. So you want to make sure that you pick the right program, and engaging and grow your audience through the consistent communication of social media and other platforms, including the Kingdom Freedom Academy that we just talked about, especially when you're promoting these products and services from affiliation and from this affiliate marketing secrets online to those people on Facebook Messenger, okay? And you can leverage the traffic sources to promote products, okay? And it really shows you how to do that. And it gives you the strategy for increasing your income, or what they call scaling up. It's a freelance and gig economy, if you want to call it that, okay? And investing for beginners. That's really important to understand. You can't just jump into something and start investing in something. You actually want to follow others that are earning specifically the amount that you're looking for, and basically just do what they're doing. I've done that quite a bit. So make sure that you click on the link in the description below and understand how to earn $10,000 in a month. And you'll have to build up from that point, but once you get to that point, you can stay consistent with learning all the information that you're going to get in this article.